black people who the first people who.
Oh, very nice. Now, who are these folks? Look very familiar. All right. Thank you, guys. Thanks, sir. Appreciate you. I'll see you this winter.
I am so pleased to invite and welcome you all here to Eastgate Elementary School. We are a Health Sciences Academy, one of the 7 Health Sciences Academies here in Columbus City Schools. And as you can see, these are our little engineers, scientists, doctors, and future nurses of Columbus and beyond. And so we're pleased here today to introduce our board president, and he's going to share some more, Mr. Baker, about some of the exciting things that have gone on here with our students and our art teacher, Ms. Gonzalez, and this great plow.
Thank you, Principal.
Welcome back.
Thank you very much. Well, good morning. Seeing this plow and our recent flurries are proof that winter weather is upon us, despite what the calendar might say. This winter, Columbus City Schools wants all families to stay warm and informed. Thanks to our partnership with the city, it's not often that we have to cancel classes because of snow-filled streets. But when we do, the first place for families to receive their snow day alert is on the Columbus City Schools mobile app. The free app provides a constant flow of communication about cancellations from the district, and it can be found by searching Columbus City Schools in the App Store on your phone or mobile device. Get the app today if you don't already have it. And for more information on how Columbus City Schools will be helping families stay warm and informed, go to our website. So I just want to acknowledge Ms. Gonzalez and these 4th and 5th grade students here with her. So they are the ones who actually painted this plow. So if you want to meet the artists, please come up and do that after we're done here. So thank you very much for your leadership and guidance, and thank you, students, for the awesome work you did here. And you've really got tiger pride on display here this morning, so we couldn't be prouder of you. And speaking of pride, let me introduce an incredibly important partner to the school district, and that is our wonderful mayor. And I think he refers to himself as partner-in-chief. And so that's Mayor Andrew J. Ginther. Mr. Mayor, come on up.
Thank you. Thank you, President. What a great day in Columbus. I know it's cloudy and chilly, but after hearing these amazing 4th and 5th graders, these very proud Eastgate Tigers, and Miss Gonzalez, tremendous work, and to Miss Wilson and the entire team here at Eastgate, I couldn't be more proud and optimistic about our future in this great community. A quick shout out and thank yous to our incredible snow warriors. I got to do a ride along with them last year, I guess earlier this year. A tremendous group of outstanding public servants that do a great job for us every day. Director Gallagher, Director Johnson, and I'm going to introduce Council Remy in just a moment. So what this plow represents is the Paint the Plow Program. So we're in our 3rd year of this program. It's a collaborative effort between the City of Columbus and Columbus City Schools. Together they pick 5 schools that get to paint the blade of a snowplow that's going to be put to work in short order here in Columbus. Each school paints a plow to represent their school and neighborhood. And I think these young students did an amazing job of reflecting Eastgate pride, the Tiger mascot, a great tribute to our history of the Tuskegee Airmen on this side, and some brilliant doctors and nurses and scientists. I asked them, I said, the folks on the right side of this plow look very familiar to the folks standing right here. And that's a great sign of their future being as bright as it is. You know, when it snows, residents will get to see their plow in their neighborhood, which is pretty exciting. As these plows go down the streets, you'll be able to tell your moms and dads and brothers and sisters, hey, that's my plow. That's out there making our neighborhoods safe. The blades will also be used at events within the school's community to enhance public awareness, promote safety, and foster a greater appreciation of both the City of Columbus's snow warriors and the school's art program. We couldn't do all this great work without our partners at Columbus City Council. We're really fortunate to have a great advocate for our public service and transportation work in please welcoming Councilmember Emmanuel Reman.
Thank you, Mayor. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Columbus City Council, I want to start out by thanking all of you for being here this afternoon to share this momentous occasion. To say that I've been looking forward to this day would be an understatement. This past September 20th, my team and I had the privilege of attending the annual Department of Public Service Rodeo, where we had the honor of witnessing our snow warriors prepared for this next winter season and all the miraculous joys of snow and ice that it brings. I can tell you firsthand that the challenges that they faced that day were no easy feat. The rodeo consisted of a number of obstacles that our warriors had to maneuver their plows through without knocking over any of the items placed within their path. It was like playing a game of Operation, which I still haven't mastered. I say this so all of you will know just how hard our warriors have worked and how prepared they will be. We truly have the best snow warriors in the nation. The inception of our Paint the Plow program in 2015 has proven to be a brilliant endeavor. Being a father of 3 young children myself, I am very familiar with the wonders of a young mind and just how artistic and creative they can be. Providing them opportunities to get involved with governmental operations in any way is one of the many ways we inspire our future leaders. It is always a joy to celebrate and honor our youth for their hard work and collaborative efforts. To all of you students here today, as you see the painted plows clearing the streets throughout this winter, know that your contribution to making our streets is being noticed by everyone and appreciated. Also know that we thank you and we are excited to see what you become in the future. I also want to thank Principal Wilson and the Eastgate Elementary faculty for hosting us, including Mrs. Gonzalez, Director Jennifer Gallagher, our Administrator Frank Williams, the entire Department of Public Service, Mayor Ginther for your leadership, and all the parents and families who support our students. Thank you again for having me, and have a great afternoon. Now I'd like to call up our fabulous administrator over the Snow Warriors, Mr. Frank Williams.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Another hand for these great students. It's just awesome. Just awesome. Again, my name is Frank Williams. I am the administrator for the Division of Infrastructure Management, housed underneath Public Service, where our director is Jennifer Gallagher. The Division of Infrastructure Management was tasked by Mayor Ginther to continue to seek opportunities for the improvement of the program in 6 key areas over the last season to help enhance the program or enhance snow and ice control. We looked at things especially concerning the snow and ice control plan, and we took the time to revise the plan, make sure that it was current, make sure that it was reasonable, and touch key areas that the citizens could use. You'll see in the next few weeks, you'll see the actual plan will be accessible via the internet, via the city's website, and it also will have and house frequently asked questions sections, dictionaries for and definitions for different items within snow and ice control, as well as a snow and ice control brochure that can be downloaded and used inside of the homes. We've looked at this year, we've increased the ability to anti-ice by over 50% throughout the city. And that equates to about 10,000 gallons of extra material that we can put on the roadways this year. Also, you may see the fact that you'll see Snow Warriors staged throughout the city. What we're looking to do this year more of is taking the Snow Warriors and putting them in strategic areas throughout the city where they can mix in the traffic a lot easier versus waiting and trying to get stuck in the traffic areas throughout the city. So you'll see that a lot more going forward. One of the things you'll also see this season is a bit more of continuity within our programs, such as the sweeping programs. In the residential areas, you'll see the Snow Warriors working in the same zones that they do during the summer that they will in the winter to make things look a little better and to spread out the work even better. So we've taken lessons learned from each season, and every year we want to get better in the snow and ice control program. Understanding that each event is different. Every event causes us to have to react differently and prepare differently. But we do plan quite a bit for each snow event, and we plan to do as much anti-icing, as much staging as possible, and do everything that we can to be as proactive for every snow event as they come. We do focus on a passable roads objective, where we're not so much during the event focused on the goal of pretty, but we're trying to make sure that things are passable for the citizens to keep everyone safe. So again, this year, in a couple weeks, take a look at the website. There's going to be a lot of information coming, and we do hope that you be mindful not to crowd the plow. Be careful, be safe, and also be a good neighbor for those of you who have neighbors with sidewalks that need help in the inclement weather conditions. Thank you very much for having us, and have a good day.
More days like this, we're going to get your lab coats into it.